So here I am preparing breakfast for my daughter. Let's go ahead and get these eggs and potatoes out of the way so someone can start eating. And about to give her one of these Tippee cups. And I keep seeing little flakes in the bottom in the water. Not quite sure what that is because it's pretty clean. I mean, there's a little water in there, but nothing really special. So I'm looking at the rest of it and decided to pop this off. And yeah, pretty gross. So be sure, if you're using these sippy cups, to actually take them completely apart when you clean them. I wipe this off a little bit. Let's see if I can't cover that up a little. Still some black spots on there. And there's definitely some grossness on there. So yeah, hydrogen peroxide and vinegar both do really good jobs at cleaning mold, and they're both fairly safe in diluted forms. I mean, use them full strength to kill this stuff, and then rinse them off with water, and it should dilute it enough to not harm a small child. Even a baby can consume a little bit of those and not be harmed. So yeah, take your stuff apart and take a look at it. Same thing happens with chew toys and baths. If they get water in them, anything over a general consistent level of about 70% humidity will grow mold. So yeah, gross. Not something you want your kid to keep consuming, or really to consume once, but thankfully humans are resilient enough to not get sick from first contact anything. All right, so just a general heads up.